I'm back and welcome to our tutorial number 12, second part of construction of corset. This time we will construct a corset with a cut in the cup. We need tape measure, scissor for the paper, we need a pencil, a ruler, a curve, and a marker. Okay, now this is the new tri-front corset. Let's make this visible. Center front, we will put a straight green line. It really needs to be. And this is the line for our empire, the under the bust. This line is the nipple, east line. So this is our center front, side front. Let's put here the line for the empire, the waist line, right? Straight green line. So from here, let's cut this. Cut this one. Alright. Let me cast the side and the top and the bottom later. Alright? Okay. So, let me make this one visible. This is the nipple. After tracing that one, I think we need to make visible the bust line here. Right? Now, let us start from the side front, going near to the bust. So from here to here, this is 3 centimeter, and this line another 1 centimeter. From there, we can get the center. 1, 2, 3. So it's there. Put a visible line here. Alright. From here, you will go up by 3 centimeter. So from this under the bust line to there, we will connect. We will create the cup. So this one, there. Let's go to the front. Our bust, there is a gap, right? What we can do here, instead of 1 centimeter, we will make it 0.75 centimeter. This is the gap between the two busts. From this bust line, we will go higher by 2.5 centimeter. There, here, under the bust, and under the bust here, we will connect this one to there. Remember, from the bust line to here is 2.5 centimeter. So let's connect this one. So here, right? Now let us construct the top part of the bust. So we will go down from here to here by 2 centimeters. Let's connect this. Right, this one, let's connect this one, but still we will check the shape of this one when we connect like this. If we will be having a nice angle like this, if there is a small issue somewhere there, we can it's not a big deal, we can alter this one. Okay, now from here, let's make those notches very visible. So those notches, when we make this, when we connect that one, we will make it same, right? So we will do that later. Now, for a nice construction of the cup, let us divide this one into 2. Meaning, we will have these 2 and we will have 1 here. Let's bring this one by 1.5 centimeter. Let's connect this one to that point. Right. From here, there. Let's check if nice. No, it's not looking good. So we can, maybe we can make this one a little bit lower. How much is this? Oh, it's 8. This is almost 1.5 centimeter. It's fine. So what we can do, because if we make like that, this looks too big. Because the half is this. Let's make a little bit there. Let's see. Alright. Right? Now, I will trace this one in the new pattern so we can this part. Tracing the new front. Right? The more notches we have, the more nice in the stitching process. Notches to notches is very important. Side front. Yeah. Yes. We need to put the straight grain. Okay. Alright, let's put the notches. Okay, let's check this one. Let's remove this one under there. Okay, there. The important line that we need to put are the waist, the grain line here. But before we cut, let's make those notches mark visible. Alright, and here, here. Okay, so now after cutting, this is center front, this is our side front, this straight grain, and this is our straight grain. Okay, then we have the cup. This is the front cup, and this is the cup in the side. This is the straight grain, so this arrow going up. So let's put this one front, this one front. So straight grain, straight grain. Now we need to cut this and this. So again, we need to put notches. It's very important. So let's cut this. Let's cut this one. Okay, so let's check. Okay, and then this one is here, right? Yes. So let's cut this one. Before we cut, it's same thing. We need to put a notches mark. And we cut it. So this two is the bottom, like that. Nice, right? If you want, you can join this together, so you will have only a small dot there. So these two will not misplace. So this is the underbust cup. Okay, and then let's check this one. So this is the front, this is the, let's check this one. There is a gap there. Just make a bit overlapping like that. It is better also that we will make a much smaller, as a corset. When you press the bust part, you will have a cleavage going out. Yeah, this is the top part. There. We trace this one with a new paper. So we put this one. I hope you learned something today. So at least now you know two methods of making a corset. Important now is the grain line and those notches. So this is front. Now our new, it's beautiful, right? So with the arrow like this means the top. Let's cut. Okay, now this is the top cup. Let's check this one, and this one is there. Okay, what you can do, you can make an arrow mark like that That means that is the joint between this and that. So this is like this. This is there. Very nice, right? See? Notches are very beautiful. Let's check this one. The front. Those notches. Let's put it. Wow. Okay. So it's same thing. This is the bust gap. 1.5 centimeter gap. Then this is here, right? Like that. Then I need to cut this one. This is what I'm telling to you. This is the beauty of the notches. Look. In any case, there is a difference between 2 millimeter or something. It doesn't matter. It's fine. The main thing is when you put a pin, notches to notches, and then you can ease. And let's put a notches between here and here. So one here, there, one here, and one there. This is your front. Beautiful, right? Very beautiful. So it's the same thing. Center back, leaving two straight grain line like that. That is means center back. Waist mark. Yeah, right. So let's put the center back. It's up to you if you want to put zipper or you want to put a hole or a crisscross. The important in the construction of the corset are the notches. There is a hidden beauty of a notches. So you stitch the crochet and you will see the outcome of how beautiful your corset. Then you will see, oh, notches is beauty. Put straight grain, those, right there. This is the end of our tutorial number 12. While learning, you are enjoying watching this tutorial. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.